It's only morning. Oh, I forgot I'm making a video today. Gotta get ready. Whee! Up my little bed. Gotta get it here. Look at TikTok a bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, hi, guys. I didn't know my video was already starting. My name is Sasha, and I'm a Littlest Pet Shop, if you can tell. I don't even have the logo on my back, but I am a Littlest Pet Shop. If I can find the logo, I will show you. Oh, that's my water bottle. I gotta get my phone, and I have to go to the bathroom. But, of course, I'm not gonna have you in the bathroom with me. So, I'm just gonna put my phone over here. And I'm gonna go to the bathroom. So, have fun. Just wait for me. I want to show you a quick tour of my bathroom. And I'll get you when I'm done. Oh yeah, so I'm done, and now I'm gonna brush my teeth. So let's put the hot water on. Ooh. I need water in my bowl. So I'm gonna press this button. I'm gonna press cold water. Ooh, and now it's full. Okay, now time to wash my hands. I think I'm going to the salon today, guys. How fun will that be? I'm gonna go into the shower. So I gotta get my towel down. Time to go in. Pass me my brush. Yep. Okay, guys, so I got out of the bathroom, and now I'm gonna go into the. Let me take this off. Phew, that was tiring. I gotta go put this away. Ooh. Oh well. Now I'm gonna eat some food, but now I just gotta get my plate. I'm gonna use a blue plate today, and I'm gonna get this cup. Okay. Now I just gotta find something to eat. Ooh, that little bone in there looks good. I'm gonna take that. That looks delicious. I gotta fill up my water, but I'm gonna go put this on the table. I just gotta fill this up. Here's this dispenser. Let me get this up. Okay, let me just press the button. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, it must be done. That was really delicious. Ooh. And I drank some drink. I'm gonna put my plate away. Sorry, I put everything away off camera. But I have to get ready for school. Well, actually, first I'm going to the store. So I gotta get my stuff. Okay, guys, so I just got myself a coffee cup in my bag out. And now I'm gonna get stuff into the bag. So this might take a second. Just gotta get my phone in there. Perfect. I'll meet you out in the car. Yeah, my car might look a little weird, but it sure does work. Oh. It's okay. I gotta get the engine going. Okay, I was just getting everything situated. Boom. Okay, guys, we made it to parking, and now I'm just gonna get out of the car. Of course, I need my stuff, but all I really need is my phone. So I'm gonna get that. If I can get it. Oh, I got it. Hopefully there's not a long line. Oh, really this long of a line? Why are we here anyways? God, you said that you wanted to help your friend get her makeup done and get her friend. Yeah. And also, I'm just here for a bath. Owie, I fell over. Let me find friendy. Oh, bestie. You're small. I am not small. Mom, is it gonna be scary when you get your hair done? It shouldn't be. I'll just be very fast. And also you can stand right next to me. Oh, okay, Mommy. Be alright. Okay, I'm just gonna lay here. Okay, well, we should be up soon. I'm gonna lay down too because I'm tired. Samantha, are you still... Of course I'm here. I'm getting my hair done. Like, how selfish can you be? Because I just want to tell you, you're like super selfish. Samantha, you have to be going now. You're here like every single day and you're not ever paying the rent. What rent? You don't have to pay. Yes, you do. Are you stupid or something? No. I'm just like, look how beautiful I am on the chart. I'm almost smiley facey. See, I'm so beautiful. Whatever. I have customers, so they're gonna be coming in. Okay, first people online. Oh, hey, honey, that's us. Let's go get my hair done. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry about that. By the way, there's gonna be a girl over while you're getting your hairdress done. Hello, little one. Would you like to go by your mommy? Yes, please. Okay. You go right over to that little thingamabobber. That's the hairdresser place. Thanks. Come on, honey. I'm coming, Mama. Oofed. Now let's just figure out how to work this machine. Oh my gosh! Turn that machine off. I'm trying to watch myself be pretty while listening to the music of Spice. A pink pony club. I'm gonna keep my name at the pink pony club. Oh, honey, I think this is done. Yep, let me just press this button. Oh, yep, it's done. Look how beautiful I look. Honey, look how beautiful you look, Mommy. Let's go see if we can use this to look at your beauty. Hey, I'm sorry, but can we just look at myself really fast? Yeah, if it'll make you stop. I'm just gonna look how beautiful I am at the stylist picture. Wow, I sure am pretty. I didn't know I was this pretty. Okay, honey, we gotta get going now. Okay, let's walk home. Sorry, excuse us. We're next in line. Yes, we are, bestie. Yeah, we are. At least I get to move up a bit. Okay, where are you going? I'm going to get my hair done. And I'm going in the bath, so yeah. Okay, well, I'll see you in the spot. Here's that sponge for you so you can wash yourself. And yes, of course, I'll help you with your makeup. Oh, I'm sorry if we were taking up the line. Oh, no, it's alright. I don't care. No, I'm really sorry. I recognize you. Don't you go to, like, Wild Pines middle school? Yeah, I do go to Wild Pines middle school. Oh, that's so cool. We go to the same place. Oh, what? I'm new there. That's cool. I'm a jock. And those are my friends. Oh, I'm guessing pygmies? Probably. I don't know. I know my bestie's over there, though. She's the little dog. Oh, that little dog. She's all over Facebook. Yeah, I know. She's so famous. I love it. I think you're a pygmy. Anyways, just go do something. Get done. I can't really, because I have to wait for my friends. I'm just gonna stay right here then. You can at least go to the back of the line. You're so mean. No. Ow. That hurted. Biddle waddle. I'm not a biddle waddle. You're a biddle waddle. Guys, biddle waddle means you're a goofy, and stop. You're a goofy guy. Okay? So don't ever biddle waddle anyone. In my game, it's biddle waddle. I am not a goofy man. Yeah, you are. You're a goofy guy. No, I'm not. It's not funny to be goofy, especially when you're a jock. Stop it, you. I'm just gonna... Ow. She hurt me. And I'm gonna take her, and I'm gonna crack her phone. Yeah, I'm just gonna... Don't mind me. I said, don't mind me. Me. Haha, your phone in the water. Told a beret a new phone. Whatever, hope I don't see you around. Guys, are you almost done? And boop, you're done. I'm done. Okay, good. Yep, and I'm done. Do you want this phone in here? Yeah. Okay, I'll get it out. No, that lady can just get it out. By the way, there's a new student, and she's not very nice. She, scarred me up, see? Whoa, that looks bad. That is bad. Let's go. You're a wibble wobbler. Hey, at least it's my turn. Oh, hi, I'm so sorry. Are you last? I think I saw a guy put your phone in here. Good thing. This water doesn't hurt any electricity. Thank you. You're like the nicest person I ever met. No, thank you for coming to this town. I should have had you wait in this seat. That's the VIP seat. You're VIP forever. Let me just put that on your phone. And what are you here for? Oh yeah, I just want to get my makeup done. Of course, I'll do it right here for you. Oh, sorry. No, it's okay. Finishing touches, and you didn't go to butterfly. Oh, thank you. No, thank you. After that long, exhausting day, now I have to go to school with that jerk. Just kidding. It's a winter break. I gotta go home now. Okay, I'm here, so gotta go and pack and then hit the hay. Oof. At least I made it here. Let's empty my bag. Let's get to my room. Put my phone right there. Put my alarm on. Okay, now I just gotta go here. Brush my teeth. Drink some water. Go to the bathroom. Oofed. And go back into my room for bedtime.